Hey friends, today we're making chocolate chip cookies. For this you're going to need 3 1/4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1 3/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips to fold into the batter, and then you're going to need a separate 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips to top on the cookies halfway through baking, and a cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of unsalted butter, 3 large eggs plus an extra yolk, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor or extract. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and you can use an oven thermometer if your oven's like mine and not so accurate all the time. It helps. Add your baking soda and salt, whisk, and then you're going to cream together your sugar, brown sugar, and butter. You can certainly use a stand mixer for this if you have one, but I just wanted to show that you can do it with a hand mixer. And once you feel like that's pretty incorporated with one another, you're going to start to add your eggs and your vanilla. And add these one at a time, guys, that way the batter can absorb what you're adding into the mixture. And keep scraping the sides whenever you need to. And once you feel like everything is fully incorporated, go ahead and add your flour. And this is also the same process. The batter has to absorb the flour, so I add only a little bit at a time. Don't want a big old mess on your shirt and in your kitchen. It takes a little while to fold this in, so don't rush it. But once you feel like most of it is absorbed, then you can go ahead and start mixing it with your hand mixer again. Well, looky there, guys, the star of the show. Then you're going to add your chocolate chips. And just like you folded in your flour, guys, you're going to fold in these chocolate chips. And you don't have to worry about the bits of flour that you'll see on the sides of the chocolate chips. It's going to stick to it from the bowl. That's okay. Just try to mix it in as good as you can. And now we're going to start making cookie dough balls. I usually make mine about 4 ounces. This helps them bake together evenly. So you go ahead and you make your cookie dough balls, and you're going to put them on cookie trays. I usually put about 6 4-ounce cookies on parchment lined cooking trays. And this recipe makes about 18 4-ounce cookies. And you don't have to grease the parchment, guys. This is what they look like. And so you're going to bake them at 375 degrees for about 8 minutes, and then take them out of the oven. And don't think they're done baking yet, guys, because they're not. What we're going to do is we're going to press them down a little bit, and I know it looks weird right now, but trust me, it helps them bake a little bit more evenly, and it gives a nice place for the chocolate chips that you're adding on top to rest. And you're just going to repeat the process for all 3 of your trays. So gently just press down with your spatula. Let some of that air out, make them a little more even, and adds a cool texture to it too. And add your chocolate chips, and then repeat for your last tray. Okay, you're going to put them back in the oven at 375 for about 5 more minutes. And there are your delicious cookies, guys. I hope you really enjoy them with family and friends. Have fun, make memories. Bye, guys.